Okay, hello and welcome back. Brett here with clickmail.co. So as we're looking here at the screen, let me share it with you. So we have now on the screen, the campaign level. Okay, so let's talk about Google Ads campaigns, or just broadly speaking, campaign level in any digital advertising account. So the ads account is going to be for the business as a whole. Usually you're not going to want to have multiple of or what do you want to say? You're not going to want to have businesses with different, what do you want to say? You don't want to have multiple businesses in one account. So you've got an ads account for a business. Now, coming over to campaign, you're going to break up campaign based on two major sort of factors. And the first one is going to be something like location. So location settings are set in the campaign level. Okay, so I'm actually going to write this down because it's actually really important. Okay, so location, and also see if I can move that over. There we go. So location settings are there, and also there we go. Make sure we spell OCAT. Okay, so location settings and also ad type. Okay, now there's a lot of different ad types. Okay, so this is gonna be I guess that's not even accurate. We'll go campaign type. Okay, now campaign type is very important because if we're selling, say, a product and we also sell a service, you're going to have different approaches and different strategies for those. So we want to choose a campaign type that is appropriate. So for example, if I have an e-com thing where I'm selling shoes, I'm going to want a, let's say, e-commerce advertising campaign up here where I'm showing product ads. But if I also have, say, a community around my super awesome shoes, and we charge for running lessons because, people want to be Olympians or something, well, that's a service. So we're selling them through the product campaign up here, but maybe we use Google search ads or retargeting ads or something else down here in the campaign. And that's the second campaign, and that might be the service. So we have a product campaign and a service campaign. Something like that would be a normal way to split up ads account campaigns. Now, another way is for data purposes and location targeting purposes. So for example, let's say you've got a corporation and they have a whole bunch of franchises and they run all those ads. Or you have one business owner who has multiple locations and they run all the ads. Well, each so the location that you target within the ads account, you'll see this when we get in there, is targeted based on location. So for example, if I were going to run, let's say, ads for nursing homes and they had 30 locations, well, I'm going to set up a campaign for location 1. Now, it might be a very similar, if not the same campaign for location 2, but this one only targets the first location. This one only targets the second location. You cannot do this in other locations. In other areas of the ads account, the campaign is targeted by location. So if you want to show all these ads to all one country and then the other ads to all another country, you're going to want to have a campaign for each location. And then again, just reviewing here, the campaign type. If you need product ads, that's going to be a specific campaign type. If you're going to have search ads, you're going to need a search ads campaign. If you need display ads, you might want to do a display ads campaign. And this is going to give you data that's separate so that you can actually look at what's functioning. And so this is the second level in a Google Ads account, is the campaign level. So we've got ads account level, campaign level, and in the next video, we're going to get into the third level down. We'll see you there.